In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make magnetic bookmarks using Canva. We'll delve into selecting the right designs, customizing them to your liking, and preparing them for a unique personal touch. Whether you're making them as a gift or just for yourself, these bookmarks are not only practical but also add a touch of charm to your reading experience. First, we're going to start by opening Canva and navigating to the search bar. Type in magnetic bookmark design to kickstart your creative process. Canva provides a vast collection of pre-made templates that can be easily customized, so choosing your initial design is all about what resonates with your style and needs. Once you have your search results, take your time browsing through the various designs that Canva offers. This step is crucial as it's where you decide on the template that best fits the vision you have for your bookmark. Remember, you can always change colors, text, and images later, so pick a design base that speaks to you or the theme you're aiming to capture. After you've settled on a design you like, the next thing you'll want to do is click on the Customize this template button. This will open your chosen design in Canva's editor where the real fun begins. Here you can adjust virtually every element to suit your preferences. Let your creativity flow as you modify the template to make it uniquely yours. Whether it's a soft color palette you're after, or bold striking hues, remember this is your space to create a bookmark that reflects your personality. Following the change of design elements, you'll want to move on to the text. Click on the text area in the template, and you'll have the option to edit the content. Here's where you can personalize the message or quote on your bookmark. It could be an inspiring quote, an important reminder, or just a simple title denoting ownership. Whatever you choose, make sure it adds personal meaning to the bookmark. Once you're satisfied with the design and text, you'll want to prepare your file for printing. Download your design as a PDF for the best print quality. Make sure you print it on thicker paper or cardstock to give your bookmark durability. To make it magnetic, simply adhere small magnetic strips to both ends of the bookmark's interior. When you fold it over a page, the magnets will hold it securely in place. And there you have it, you've created a personalized, stylish, and functional magnetic bookmark using Canva. It's a fun and easy project that anyone can enjoy, and a perfect way to add a bit of flair to your reading sessions. Keep practicing, and before long you'll be creating an entire collection of bookmarks for all your favorite titles. Thanks for joining me today, and happy crafting!